This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Jedi Survivor is updated and you have the holoprojector and at least 5 tech shards. Once done, open your inventory and head straight to a workbench. This is where customization happens. You will use the holoprojector to select base metal and the two-tone override. Make sure you've unlocked the relevant tech node. If not, spend a few skill points now. This saves backtracking and gets you into the crafting flow immediately. At the workbench, choose Appearance, then Metal Type. Pick your primary metal first so the secondary reads correctly. Next, select the two-tone overlay and assign the secondary metal, adjusting intensity to balance contrast. Lower values favor subtlety, while higher values create sharp contrast. The system requires 5 shards plus 1 rare alloy resource. Keep them handy. Preview the result on your character model, rotate and inspect under different lighting, because reflections and shadows change the perceived color split. Finalize by saving the new two-tone metal to a loadout so you can reapply it quickly after deaths or costume swaps. If the two-tone option doesn't apply, first recheck that you actually spent the shards and that the tech node remained unlocked. UI can hide requirements. If it still fails, reload to the workbench or restart your session. Temporary save sync bugs are common. As a last resort, verify the game is on the latest patch because older builds sometimes block cosmetic systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.